The forgetful elephant with a big surprise. Ellie the elephant was known for having a big heart and an even bigger memory. One day, Ellie was getting ready to attend the jungle party, the biggest event of the year where all the animals would gather to dance, sing, and eat delicious jungle treats. Ellie was so excited that she couldn't stop talking about it to her best friend, Gary the giraffe. As Ellie packed her things, she couldn't help but dance around her room. She grabbed her favorite snack, peanut butter sandwiches, her favorite toy, a bouncy ball, and her favorite party trick, a whoopee cushion. She was all set, or so she thought. When she arrived at the party, everyone gasped. Ellie had forgotten to put on her party hat. Not only that, but in her excitement, she had also put her peanut butter sandwiches on her head and was bouncing her party hat like a ball. Ellie looked around, confused.
What's everyone staring at?
She asked, her voice full of curiosity.
Oh no!
She exclaimed when she realized her mistake.
I knew I forgot something.
The other animals burst out laughing, and soon Ellie did too.
At least I brought the whoopee cushion,
she said with a wink, placing it under the unsuspecting Gary. When Gary sat down and heard the silly sound, he jumped up in surprise, and the whole jungle roared with laughter. From that day on, Ellie became the life of the party, always bringing fun and laughter and even though she tried to double-check before leaving home, she still often forgot what she was supposed to check. Like the time she wore her shoes on her ears or brought a toothbrush instead of a trumpet. But no one minded because Ellie's forgetfulness always made for the funniest stories and the best parties in the jungle.